Good morning, Bine, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. So today's Navajo Word of the Day is going to be Memorial Day. So to say Memorial Day in Navajo, you would say Siláołtsooí Bigáál Dah Nídahidiit'i Béédahaniih. Siláołtsooí Bigáál Dah Nídahidiit'i Béédahaniih. You can also say it another way. You can also say Siláołtsooí Bee Iina Nidahazt'i Béédahaniih. Siláołtsooí Bee Iina Nidahazt'i Béédahaniih. So you can say it either one or two ways. There's actually more than one way you can say that. Those are just examples. So since today is Memorial Day, however you decide to spend it, whether fishing, hiking, or visiting the grave of a veteran, a past veteran, just remember that freedom isn't free, that soldiers have died and are continuing to die to enjoy the freedom that we have. Have a nice day, enjoy your Memorial Day, and those are today's Navajo words of the day, Memorial Day. Siláołtsooí Bigáál Dah Nídahidiit'i Béédahaniih, or Siláołtsooí Bee Iina Nidahazt'i Béédahaniih, however you want to say it. Happy Veterans Day.